Hey guys, this is CutiePie88. If you guys want to see how I got this look pronto, then definitely stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning back into my channel. So this hair is sponsored by Julia Hair. They are Ali Julia Hair on Instagram, and they did send me 3 bundles of deep wave Brazilian loose deep hair in the inches 24 and 226 bundles. So I am going to do a really quick tutorial for you guys. I haven't worn a ponytail in a while. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how quick you can do this style if you have somewhere to go really quickly. I needed a quick hairstyle, and I just had to relax my hair. So if you don't know, I am relaxed, and I just relaxed my hair. I'm actually Texlax. My hair does have a bit of texture to it. Even when it gets wet, it does curl back up. So it's slightly relaxed and then slightly textured. So it's like Texlax. So let's start the tutorial. So all I did was part my hair from ear to ear. Very, very simple. Just parted it from ear to ear and made a ponytail at the top and a ponytail at the bottom. So that is done, one at the top and one at the back. So I'm taking Lotta Body Control Me Edge Gel, and this is in the color black. I'm using the black because I just like, I like the way it fills in my edges. It kind of makes them look a little bit more fuller. I don't have very thin edges, but in some spaces they look kind of spacey. So I just like to go ahead and fill them in. So I'm just doing my baby hair before I do the ponytail. That way when the ponytails are in, my style is complete and I don't have to go in and do the baby hair again. I go ahead and slick the baby hair up as my second step. So make my ponytails first and then go ahead and do my edges second. So on top of the edge gel, I'm going to go in and use some Got To Be Ultra Glue. This is the clear. I don't recommend the white one because your, of course I won't put this on my teeth. Your edges will come out a little bit white and have that white cast on it. I do hear some ladies say the white holds better, which may be true, but I just can't take that white crusty look that the yellow bottle of Got To Be Glued gives you. So I'm definitely going to recommend the clear gel, which is the black bottle of Got To Be Glued for your edges all the time, even laying your wigs, ladies. I know you're like, what? But I do recommend the clear for your edges and laying your wigs. So I'm not the expert on the baby hair, but I tried my best. I think it does look cute. So what I'm going to do, I'm just showing you guys the 2 separate ponytails. So I'm going to take my beautiful, beautiful loose deep hair by Ali Julia Hair, and I'm going to put 1 ponytail at the back and 1 ponytail at the bottom. This will give the ponytail an extended, an illusion of an extended ponytail. So this right here is 3 bundles. So like I said, 2 bundles of 26 and 1 bundle of 24. So 1 at the back and 1 at the top. So I'm just putting my top bun up out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and do a braid at the back. So some ladies can decide to leave their hair loose and actually like curl their hair in the same pattern of the ponytail. That will work as well. This time I just didn't feel like doing that. I just put my hair in a braid. But I think next time I probably will leave it out and put a crimping iron, a waving iron to my own hair. That way it easily blends. So I'm just going to do the traditional old school wrap your weft, bobby pin it, wrap your weft and bobby pin it. That is super simple, you guys. It literally took me 5 minutes for both ponytails. Wrap, bobby pin, wrap, bobby pin. It's super, super easy. So bam, I'm done with that one. So I am going to take a little piece of the ponytail and just wrap it around the base of the ponytail, closest to my head, and put one more bobby pin in there just to give it that more realistic, natural look. I know you ladies know about that one little final band that you have to wrap around, and that's what I did. Super simple. I didn't use that many bobby pins because I don't like the feeling of them jamming in my head, but that's it. It's done. And this was the 26-inch bundle I used at the back. I only used one 26 bundle at the back, but I'm going to use both the last 26 bundle and the 24-inch bundle at the top. So now time for the 24-inch bundle. I did double the wefts as I'm wrapping, so I did not use one long weft. I actually folded it in half and used it as double. That way I'm done faster. You know, it's a quicker process. It's thicker. I suggest, to save time, go ahead and fold the weft in half. And there you have it, ladies. A super simple, super gorgeous extended ponytail look. Super, super easy, beginner friendly. You can go right out with this look. I'm just going to play in it for a little while. I'm loving this hair. You can add water to it. You can let it air dry and let that beautiful curl come back into it. But I had somewhere to go really, really fast. Pronto. So I needed a beautiful look. This definitely gives you an illusion extended ponytail without having to do the invisible method. It's really super easy, gives you a very, very beautiful result. You guys, let me know what you think. of this Pronto extended ponytail look. Let me know if you're loving it. Please excuse that piece of string on my shirt. I did not know it was there and it's so annoying. But let me know how you like it, you guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.